So there's another flippable phone you can actually buy right now. And that's called the Nubia Flip 5G. This is interesting. This actually just launched and I don't know how I feel about it. So, very similar to a lot of China related phones here when it comes to the outside display being a circle. As you can see, it's two separate cameras, and then of course you have the circle, which is just the bezels, and this is the only part of the display. It's $500 for. Actually, wait, hold up. Okay, so the Cosmic Black version is $700 for the 12 gigabyte 512 model, and then $500 for the 8 gigabyte 256 model. But if you wanted to get the gold version variant, it's $500 for the 8 gigabyte 256 model, and it's $700. Okay, so well, hold up. So the flower, whatever this variant, is $500 for the 12 gigabyte 512 model, and $500 for. I think this is a mess up on their website, because I think this is supposed to be $700 as well. Because I couldn't see why would you. Yeah, why would you just hang on? No extra cost, limited need for any additional purchases. Why would you charge $100 more, $200 less for just a different color scheme? That's really all this is a different color scheme. But yeah, I mean, it's optional to buy in the United States. So this is our first real flippable phone that is not from Samsung that you can, or Motorola, that you can buy in the United States, which I think is kind of cool. It comes with a 6.9 inch 120 hertz AMOLED display, 50 megapixel AI dual camera, ultra clear dual display, seamless experience, 4,310 battery, 33-watt charging. So no wireless charging, it looks like. It's a pocket-sized foldable display, ultra dual display, 50 megapixel. Again, we talked about 4 internal display. There is no wireless charging. Perfect experience. Okay. Yeah. Wow. This is interesting to say the least. I'm gonna guess in no way is this waterproof. Comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. Oh, sorry, 7 Gen 1 processor, not 8. 7 Gen 1 processor. So a little bit old and everything wise. What's the point of this phone? It ships global store, United Kingdom, Europe, and all other countries. Yeah. Yeah, no, I mean, if you want to get a phone that's, again, worse than the Motorola phones, worse than the other variants, yeah, sure. I am very interested by this. When I first heard about this, I thought it said that it was going to be very cheap, and it was a very cheap alternative to going with the other flippable, foldable phones. But it doesn't seem very cheap at all. It seems very expensive for what you're getting. So, again, interesting. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll be honest with you, I'm not even going to consider picking this up. Especially not the price tag. I was kind of hoping if this did come out, it would be at a price tag of like maybe $200, especially with some older technology in this bad boy. And not really much to do on the outside display at all. Like, I kind of feel like we're back at the Galaxy Z Flip 4 days, where the outside display is kind of more of a novelty, if anything. But tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. See you guys in the next one.